What's up guys, Adam here with AmericanTrucks.com. Today we're taking a quick look at and installing the Axial smoked LED third brake light, which also acts as a reverse light and cargo light, available for the 09 to 14 F150. You should be checking this out if you're looking to ditch the factory traditional dated technology built into that stock reverse light. It's really chromed out, really reflective. It doesn't add any stealth or aggression to your truck. This is blacked out, has state-of-the-art technology with LEDs, 15 reverse, and the brake light going all the way around. But it doesn't stop there. It doesn't stop at the brake and reverse light. When you pop your doors open, the row of white LEDs for your reverse light pop on, so it acts as more of a cargo lamp as well. Now these are super bright. Comparing these to the factory options night and day, you get really dull factory halogen bulbs. Now you've got really bright, very powerful LEDs. The cool thing about this is not only does it come in that texture black finish with a smoked lens, it's also available in clear if you're not really into that smoked look. It also comes in at about 75 bucks and is completely plug and play. No splicing whatsoever, which I think is one of the biggest bonuses with this. Nobody really wants to cut up factory harnesses and do some splicing, maybe even soldering in some cases. Now, I'll be honest with you, my only gripe with this is that it doesn't include black hardware. Since it's a black housing, I'd like to see some black screws in there. But of course, you could replace those yourself if you were that nitpicky, which, hey, listen, I get it. Some of us are. The install, again, 1 out of 3 wrenches. Easy, 15 minutes at the absolute most. For hand tools, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Anybody can tackle it. I'm gonna show you how. The only tool needed for this install is a Phillips head screwdriver. All right guys, the first step, grab a Phillips head screwdriver. We're gonna remove the 2 Phillips head screws, 1 on each side. You're gonna make sure you're holding on to them too. From here, pry off, and if it's stuck to the vehicle, you can always use a panel removal tool to just pry down on it, but you don't want to use anything metal. You don't want to damage the paint. From here, we're going to come out, pop out our bulbs. So we got the factory option out of our 2011 F150, and it's sitting next to the Axial smoked LED option. And I want to take you guys through some of the similarities, but mainly the differences between the two. And trust me, they are just completely different, as you can see. Now the factory light, I personally am really just not a fan of whatsoever. There's a lot of really flashy chrome reflectiveness going on. It's very clear, it's not very smoked, there's nothing stealthy and aggressive about it, and honestly I think it's pretty outdated. Going over to the new Axial, we have a textured black housing all around, 15 center spot white LEDs for your reverse light, and you have a red surrounding LED for your brake light. So really modern technology going into this, state-of-the-art LEDs. They're a lot brighter and a lot cleaner than the factory ones. So this here is gonna be a pretty big upgrade to stealth and aggression. And it's got that plug and play harness in the back. So what we're gonna do is pop out the factory bulbs and put these into the pins in these connectors. Now for these bulbs, you're really just gonna pinch very gently and pull straight back. You're not gonna need these anymore. Do that for all 3. Now you're gonna take the harness on the back of your Axial, and they're labeled, there's only 2 of them, they're labeled. One says LED reverse light W for white, that's gonna be your reverse light obviously. The other one, LED fog light R, which is your brake light, for red. Now the brake light is gonna get put into the middle bulb on the factory harness. So grab the middle section and plug that in. Seat that all the way through, and the other reverse light can go to either end. From there, you can tuck your harness back into the vehicle. And line up those factory mounting points. You can put the factory screw through while looking down the side to line those up. Just put it through a couple of threads by hand on both sides. Grab that Phillips head and tighten them back down. Now the cool thing when you tighten these down, you'll notice the foam edging on the inside really seals up against the truck to provide that leak-free finish so you don't get any malfunctioning with the wire due to weather or climate changing. That's going to wrap up my quick overview and install for the Axial smoked LED third brake light for the 09 to 14 F-150. If you want to check this out, you can do so for your own truck right here at AmericanTrucks.com.